Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to share your TikTok profile link. First of all, go to your TikTok application and then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now you can see edit profile. Tap on it and then you can see a link and copy icon beside it. Tap on it and your link will be copied. Now you can share it anywhere you want to by simply pasting and sending the link. Whoever tap on the link will reach to your profile. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar contents.